Welcome to a new Link Fusions tutorial. So today I'm going to be showing you how to create email campaigns through your Link Fusions account. Email campaigns can be an extremely valuable tool for online and internet marketers, whether you are just an online marketer, whether you're a business owner, a politician, an entrepreneur. There is a wide range of people and industries and jobs where they would benefit very, very much from efficient and effective email campaigns. And so Link Fusions offers this tool just in our software. And so I'm going to be walking you through the process of adding that email channel to a campaign. So right here, we start at the dashboard. This is just like the homepage of Link Fusions. Once you log into your account, you're going to need to navigate to your campaigns. And so you're going to click on this campaign button on the left-hand side. From here, you're going to click Manage Campaigns. You need to make sure that you have a campaign set up before you try to add the email channel. I had spoken about this and walked you through these steps in an earlier tutorial. And so if you have not seen that yet, I recommend you check that out before you watch this one. But we created a restaurant promotion campaign in that tutorial that I just spoke about. And so I'm going to just be using that same campaign now for this tutorial. And so what you're going to want to do is, if you are using a campaign that you've already created, you will just simply click on that campaign name. If you are creating a new campaign for this email channel, you will click this addition button over here in this top section. So you're going to click on the campaign. Once you click on it, you'll be brought to campaign details page, and here is where you can add a channel. You're going to click on this lower left-hand corner where it says click to add channel. You're going to click there. And then a screen with 4 channels will pop up: voice, email, SMS, and MMS. SMS is enabled because we had enabled that in a previous video, so I'm just going to leave that as is. Again, if you haven't seen that, I recommend you check it out. But we're going to be doing email in this one. So email, you are going to click it. It's going to toggle it on. But before you can add an email campaign, before you can trigger an email campaign, you've got to add the email content to the campaign and to the channel. So what you're going to do is you're going to hover your mouse over that email logo. An addition sign will pop up. You'll click on that. You'll then be brought to this screen. And from here, you're going to add some of the details to your email channel. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to add a field in which how you're wanting your contact list to be addressed. And so whenever they receive this email, it'll be like, hello, Jenny, hello, Bob, or it'll be hello, their last name, hello, email address, company name, designation, whatever it is that you choose. This section right here is where you can customize that. So I want my email contact list to be addressed by their first name. So I'm going to click first name here. Then you will have your email. So it says copy and paste this into the email. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to copy that. And then, so we're going to paste that into the email, but I'll show you that in a second. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to add in your from email. So this is going to be the email address that users will see when they receive your email. It can be anything. It can be your personal email. It can be your company email, whatever you want it to be. I'm going to use my business email. Then your sender name. So this is the name that the user will see that this email is from. So I will just use my name. Right here, sample email for test. You can enter a sample email if you're wanting to test it before you trigger it. So you could put your own email in here if you're wanting to test it with yourself, whatever the case is. For this example, I'm going to leave this one blank because we don't need to send out a test. Next, you're going to set a delay. And so this is similar to what we had spoken about, or it's the exact same as what we had spoken about with the SMS. It's basically saying that whenever you're done setting up this campaign, you're going to be given the option to either save or trigger the campaign. Saving it just means that you're setting it aside and you'll do something with it later. Triggering it means that you're setting it to go, you're making it ready to go. You're going to send it out. So whenever you set the delay, it's saying how soon after you trigger the campaign do you want this channel to be sent out? Do you want it to be sent out right when you trigger it? Do you want it set it a number of days after the fact? Do you want it set it a couple hours after, a couple minutes, seconds? or you can even schedule it out for a specific day. For this example, we're going to just do immediately. And then lastly, your email subject. So for this email subject, we are doing restaurant promotions. So let's just pretend like we're offering new summer menu items. Okay. Next, what you're going to do before you can send out an email, you have to actually build the email. And we offer that software, that solution to you by providing you with email templates. So you can do one of two things. You can compose an email from scratch. This would be just like kind of a basic like worded email. It would be similar to how you would send out an email on like your personal Gmail or Yahoo or AOL account. We also have email templates. These are like pre-made email templates that you can use. These email templates are perfect for a number of different things, from like realtors sending out blast emails, menu items for restaurants, restaurant promotion, newsletters, politicians. There's just so many different people in different industries that can benefit from these templates. And so you have that option as well. So I'm going to click on template. Here you'll be taken to a list of all of our pre-made templates. These are just pre-made, so you would click on any one that you wanted to, and then you can edit the details in them. And so you could keep the layout the same, but you can change like the colors, you can change the content in them, etc. We also have these templates as well. So we have a number of different templates. Whenever you create a template, it will come up down here. So these are choose my templates. These are templates that you create yourself. And then these are the templates that LinkFusions recommends to you that we've already created. So we are going to use a restaurant. We're creating a promotion for a new menu items for a restaurant. So I'm going to select this one right here. In order to edit the template, you'll click on the actual picture itself, not on the circle. This is just selecting it, but in order to edit it, you've got to click on the actual photo. Next, we will have the template pop up. So from here, you can name the template. You can also get your contact properties. So this is exactly what we had spoken about earlier. You would select first name, and then you'd copy and paste this into the email. And as you can see here, there is an email template. So it shows photos. You can replace these photos with anything that you want. You just simply click on it, and then it brings up the fields. So I click on this image right here of this burger, and then it brings up the fields of that image. And so you can change the image by clicking here. You can add effects here. You can change the size and the properties of the image. Same thing goes for the actual text itself. And so you can click on the text, and then you can change the color of the text. You can change the layout of the text. You can change the content of the text. So here in the right-hand corner is where you would change the properties. And then whenever you click on the text, you would just simply edit it on the actual field itself. So I'm going to edit this text so you guys can see. So I'm going to copy and paste. So I'm going to say hello. And then I'm going to copy and paste that contact first name. We have something special in store for you this summer. Check out our new menu options. Options available for a limited time. And then I am just going to click off of that, and now that has been changed. But you can change anything that you want. You can change the header image. You can change really anything. And so this is purely customizable. You can keep the layout and then change the content to match you and your business. Next, what I'm going to do is I'll name it. So I'll say restaurant. I'll say new summer menu items. promotion. Then I'll click save. And then you can either save and continue or save and exit. I'm done editing this newsletter, so I'm going to click save and exit. Once you save and exit, you will just be taken back to this email template page. So now, whenever you do it, this is like the base default templates. And so once you've edited one, you're going to want to scroll down because the edited version of that template will show up in your Choose My Templates. And so instead of choosing this one up here, which is the one we edited, we're going to scroll down and we're going to choose the one that I just created. So you're going to select it with that little dot, and then you're going to click Choose Template. So this little check mark right here will come up. That means that you are all set and ready to go. You have a template chosen. So I'm going to click Save. And then I'm going to click, I'll deselect SMS for this example. I'm going to click Trigger Campaign. And then from here, you can select the contacts. And so you can either choose, like if you have just a couple of contacts that you're wanting to send this out to, you can just select contacts. If you have groups or if you have people associated with campaigns, you can choose those options. I'm just going to click Select Contacts, and then I'm going to send this to myself. So I'm then going to click Trigger Campaign. I then go to my email and I see that I have received the email from the promotion. So I can see that it says from Aubrey. It's the email that I put in. It then says, hello, Aubrey, we have something special in store for you. So it took that copy and pasted portion of the text and it customized it to my own name. And then everything is there. And so it is a professional email template that was super easy to build out. It's super easy to customize, and you can seamlessly get it to your audience. And so that is how you send out an email channel from your campaign from LinkFusions. So stay tuned for the next tutorial, and I will see you soon.